Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison between two finance apps, and they are Zoho Expense and Sap Concur. This is a breakdown and a comparison and a showdown actually. The expense report showdown. If you're tired of the expense report nightmare, then you're not alone. Two apps claim to have the cure, and they are the smart, agile Zoho Expense and the corporate giant called Sap Concur. Which one deserves your receipts? Let's find out. When you look at their vibes, Zoho Expense is smart, intuitive, and user-friendly, while Sap Concur is powerful, comprehensive, and corporate. When we look at who they are best for, Zoho Expense is best for growing businesses and small and medium enterprises already in the Zoho ecosystem, why Sap Concur is best for large enterprises with complex travel and spend policies. When we look at AI power, Zoho Expense has brilliant receipt scanning and automatic expense categorization, while Sap Concur has deep integration with corporate travel systems and advanced analytics. When we look at the wallet, Zoho Expense is extremely cost-effective, transparent, and it uses a pricing for per user, while Sap Concur is like an enterprise level investment. You need to call for a quote. If you look at this setup, Zoho Expense is simple and quick to set up. You can get started in an afternoon, while Sap Concur is complex to implement. It is a major project. Lastly, let's look at their cool features. Zoho Expense has seamless integration with the entire Zoho suite. The CRM, that is Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, while Sap Concur has unmatched global compliance and corporate policy enforcement. So who takes the crown? Zoho Expense is the agile champion for businesses that want a powerful, affordable, and easy-to-use tool that just works, while Sap Concur is the undisputed heavyweight for massive corporations that need to manage global travel and enforce complex spending rules. So that's it. What's the verdict? For most growing companies, Zoho Expense offers the best blend of power and price, but for global enterprise compliance, Concur is still the king. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. If this saved you hours of research, do us a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for more software showdowns. Thanks for watching.